urge Nigerians to pray for the peace in the land and for prosperity. And this is the agricultural season. We hope and pray that we'll get a bumper harvest that will address some of the food security challenges we are facing. Beyond that, we want to emphasize on peace. We have to cultivate peace. We have to promote peace, because there can never be development without peace, and there can never be peace without development. They have to go on pari passu basis. So we have to rally our people to unite as a people and face our common challenges and avoid grandstanding.
Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency.
The underlying message of submission, as evidenced by the obedience of Prophet Ibrahim to carry out a sacrifice, shows that through submission to the will of Allah, humankind could attain a state of redemption, spiritual purity, as well as enduring peace and prosperity.
We want to congratulate all Nigerians, and especially the Muslims who today have arrived at this day of Eid-el-Kabir. I want to call on all Nigerians to abide by the instructions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I also want to assure Nigerians that all the sacrifices that they have made will not go in vain. Like the President has always said, we should always, at all times, imbibe on the teachings of our creators, take the messages of hope, of resilience, of determination, and of patriotism. We call on all Nigerians to be united at this time. All of us need to come together, rally behind the President, rally behind all our leaders in their hope and in their quest to deliver the prosperous Nigeria for all of us.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد.
Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to all those celebrating in London, across the UK and around the world. Eid-el-Adha is a time when we come together with family and friends to enjoy good food, company and conversation. This Eid is also about charity, community and family at home. That's why I'll also continue to do everything in my power to support all those struggling with the cost of living here in London.
Mubarak, my brothers and sisters.
You know, more than 20 years ago, I took my Shahada and I joined what I consider to be the biggest and the best family in the world. And some people say, well, you don't look like a Muslim. And what does a Muslim look like? You know, we are many nationalities, many cultures, many countries, many languages, but we all believe in the one God.
يوم الدين إن الله مع الصابرين الله ينصر من يشاء وهو سمع الله لمن حمده الله أكبر